Hey guys, I'm Basanta from How to Guides. Today I'm gonna show you how to utilize your old phone or tablet. Um, you may have old phone and you may not realize that it can be used for some interesting things. It may be sitting on your table drawer and waiting for the battery to die. So nowadays there are new phones every often, and along with the age of the phone, it gets slower and slower, um, less and less useful, and eventually we feel like it's time to change and we purchase a new phone. Some people may choose to trade in for very little fraction of the original price, and some just keep it with them and buy new one. Whoever you are, it's really worth trading or not, is it? For instance, you buy a phone for $800 and before 2-3 years, let's say, and now you need to upgrade because it's too slow, and give it up for 50 or 100 bucks to the carrier trade-in program. Is it worth it? It depends on who you are actually, and I would not do that. Instead, I will utilize that on something interesting, like using that as a security camera or anything else. That's what I'm going to discuss now. Not to mention, this things works for Android or iOS or any tablet. It doesn't matter, as long as the apps that I mention in next few minutes are available in the app stores, either app store like Google Play or iOS app store. Let's jump to the guide on how to use your old phone for most useful things. You can use it as a simple free security camera. Instead of buying expensive home security cameras, nowadays it's really expensive, $200-300, or if you are in different countries, different currency, but it's gonna be expensive anyway. And instead of doing that, why not use your old phone as a security camera and save that money, rather than just giving it up to the carrier or selling it on the old market for $50-100 or equivalent currency in your country. Why not use it as a security cam? There are tons of apps available in App Store for both Android and iOS. The first best choice of mine is IP webcam, and it comes with free as well as pro version. Free version will have ad pop up on your phone, of course, and the pro version doesn't have any ads. That's just $4 on the Google Play, and similar on the Apple Store. So it's just a matter of ads. You can just use free or buy for $4. It doesn't matter, and it allows to monitor with the same Wi-Fi network or through your mobile data remote. Wherever you have internet connection, you can monitor it. Say you are sitting in your bed and bedroom, and you install the old phone as a security camera in your door. In that case, you can just look through the viewer and then see who came and who knocked your door, and you can actually talk to them, or they can talk to you. That's two-way communication. So you can utilize on that. I will be posting another video on how to do that. It's easy, but I'll be sending another video on that in few days, so please stay tuned to my channel to watch that. And other app that I like is Firetv camera, and it's available for both iOS and Android again. and which lets you set up security camera within a minute. And note that it has app, and you need two phones, either Android or Apple iOS, to use that. One used for camera, another for viewer. So you can't do it through laptop or web browser kind of. The previous one I talked about, IP webcam, you can do it via web browser or using app, whatever. That's really flexible, and you have a lot of options to customize kind of different kind of video, picture capture, and zoom in and zoom out, and all those things are available in the previous one. And next thing you can do is use your old phone as a universal smart remote. You may have a smart TV on your home, or you may not have. If you have a smart TV, then you are really in luck, and you can just use smart TV remotes. Nowadays there are so many apps out there corresponding to your smart TV. For example, Samsung, there is Samsung Smart TV app, TV remote app. And for Fire TV, if you have Fire TV stick and any other like Apple TV or Android TV kind of third-party TV box, then you also have those apps in the App Store, and you can use that as a universal remote. And if you are an old TV and that's not smart, and if your phone has IR camera, then again you are in luck. That IR allow you to control any TV, even newer smart TV as well as old TV. And if you are in old TV but you don't have IR, then you can buy Fire TV or Android TV box. That's a small fraction of price, and you can just add it to the HDMI port of the TV, and then you're ready to go. You just need to connect that box to the Wi-Fi, that's all, and then you just need to install remote app on the phone. Next thing is you can use your old phone as a virtual O2 device. With that, there are many apps on looking through the street and malls and anything around the world. One of the best I liked is Earthcam webcam. You can also go to Earthcam webcam on your desktop, and then you can see the view from there. But if you have phone staying idle and it's not really useful, why not set it up as a desktop? I mean, in the dashboard, just set it up and then scroll through all the views of the choice of your city. Anywhere you can watch Dallas while you're living in Australia, or you can watch any Australian city while you are living in US, like that. It's virtual tour you can do using the simple app, and that you can utilize on your old phone. Next thing is you can use as a dedicated ebook reader. There are so many apps out there in Apple App Store, iOS App Store, and then Google Play. A few of them on Apple App Store are Marvin, Blue Fire Reader, Tie Reader, Hyphen, like that, and so many other, but I just mentioned a couple of them. And for Android, Amazon Kindle, Google Play Books, Blue Fire Reader, Foxit PDF Reader, Full Reader, so many out there. You can choose the app you like. For Android, I prefer Amazon Kindle or Google Play Books, that are major brand, and it has really useful features. And for iOS, Marvin is the best one, so far I discovered. And there are other apps as well, you can try it out. Next thing you can do is use your old phone as a dedicated photo frame. There are so many apps again for this. The famous app is Google Photos. Nowadays most of the people use Google Photos because they can store everything unlimited with high quality view, um, high quality pictures. So if you have a lot of photo in your Google Photos, then it's really good choice for that. Even if you don't use Google Photos much, then there are other apps you can utilize for using Google Photo Frame. In Google Photos, you just need to go through, let's say you just need to go through one album, then go to that album and pop up one of the photo, and on the option button you will see slideshow option that will go through all the pictures in the album. But if you want to show all the photo in your library, just go to your library and then click on one photo and then go to options and slideshow. It will play all the entire library on the slideshow. Next thing is make your own Android Auto. There is a app in Google Play Store, Android Auto, that can start as you drive by detecting driving its location and speed. By detection of location and speed, it will automatically pop up in your screen, and it's easy to use while driving. Less apps and good feature, right? You can use it on your old phone as a dedicated GPS device, for example. Next thing is you can use as a VR headset. There are so many of the VR headset that are pluggable with any kind of phone, iPhone or Android. You can buy those, or there is another way. Google used to sell cardboard VR headset, and they also publish it for the public information. They had one diagram for the cardboard VR, and you can download that, print it out on the regular letter size paper, and then attach it on the cardboard, cut edge for the direction on the printed paper, and then set it up. You can set it up on the on your own, and just put your phone out there, and then you are ready to go. That's a really cheap way to use VR headset. And if you have idle phone, why not? Next thing is one second. On that, I'll be sharing the Google's specification for VR headset on my description section. Please look at that links. And another useful feature of the old phone is, if you carry your old phone with you and somehow you run out of your old battery, current phone's battery, then you can just try to swap your SIM just for some time use, and or if you are in emergency, right, you may not have that time to swap the SIM, but still you can use your phone for emergency. It's the government law in every country throughout the world that they need to allow emergency calling, even if the phone doesn't have SIM card. If the SIM card is not installed, still need to be able to call emergency calling. So with that feature, you can just dial in your local emergency number. For US it's 911, but for different country it may be different, and you can just dial in that number from your old phone. Even if it doesn't have SIM, it works. So these are the things you can do. There are many more things you can do, but these are the main things, interesting things you can do with your old phone or tablets. Guys, please thank you for watching my video, and please click on the right button sections of my video anytime the anytime throughout the video, and to subscribe my channel. And on the right side there are links for other videos and my playlist of how-to guides. Please watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my channel, and if you have any questions, drop them on the comment section down, and I will get back to you with solutions or resolutions as soon as possible. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Have a good day, good night.